love watching everybody jump. Cool, man.
Martin Hill, forever the entertainer. Trust me, folks, that is actually a turned-down show. If you really want to see what this car is capable of, come along to Sandpod Raceway. It's just the other side of the M1. Out of 180 cars. And I tell you what, I am a class. This is my car. Very proud of it, and I can't believe I've let Jim sit in the car to fuck this one up. So, Charlie Seymour's going to fire his up first. We go, Charlie. He's warmed up and ready, so straight into it.